Spring Harbor Library, and today we have one of our summer reading crafts. It's going to be Stuff a Dragon. You're going to have your stuffed animal and you're going to be supplied with some of the polyfill. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the back of the dragon. Back of the dragon there will be a little hole so you're able to stuff it. First thing you are going to want to stuff is you're going to take a handful like this and you're going to bring it down to its feet. You're going to take your hand and you're going to push it all the way down into its feet until it feels like a firm foot. You don't want it to be too soft, but you also don't want it to be too hard where the filling will rip the stuffed animal. After you do one foot, you're going to grab some more, and then you are going to stick it into the left foot or the other foot. Next thing you are going to want to stuff is the tail. So you'll take your next handful and you will put the stuffing up into the tail. Probably going to take about maybe 1.5 to 2 handfuls to fill the whole tail. So now you'll see your tail is stuffed and your 2 front feet are stuffed. Now here's the tricky part. You're going to try and see your hole, and now you're going to want to stuff the head. So you're going to take some polyfilm, going to rip it a little bit so it's nice and fluffy. You're going to shove it into the body, and then you're going to push it up into the head. And you're going to have to do that probably a couple times because the head is pretty large. And as the head fills, it will start to go down into the torso where the neck spot is. The front arms are already pre-stuffed. So now you're going to stick some more in. And then you're just going to keep on going until your whole entire stuffed animal is fluffed. And now your friend's head is fluffed. So now you're going to need a couple more handfuls to just fill up its stomach. And now your dragon is pretty much stuffed. Then you will see in the inside there is a little pocket. You're going to take it and there's going to be a zipper, and you pull up the zipper to keep the stuffing in there. Then you push the little pocket back in, and then you Velcro him closed. And here you go. Here's your fun little, cute little Stuff a Dragon. Bye. I hope you enjoyed.